In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the plus sign in Excel. Whether you're a beginner or simply looking to refresh your skills, understanding how to add numbers or cells in Excel is a foundational skill that can boost your productivity and enhance your data management capabilities. Let's dive right into it. The plus sign is a powerful tool in Excel, and its primary function in this context is to perform addition. When you want to add numbers or the values contained in different cells, you'll begin with an equal sign. This equal sign tells Excel that you're about to input a formula. For instance, if you're adding two standalone numbers, the method is straightforward. You'd write an equal sign followed directly by the first number, then the plus sign, and finally the second number. So, typing equals 3 plus 2, you'll notice Excel calculates this simple math for you instantly. This is particularly handy for quick calculations right within the spreadsheet. However, the power of Excel shines through when you're working with data across various cells. Imagine you have values in cells A1 and B1, and you want to add them together. You'll start your formula in the cell where you want the result to appear. Again, type the equal sign, then reference the first cell A1, use the plus sign, and then reference the second cell B1. The formula would look like this, equals A1 plus B1. Once you hit Enter, Excel computes the sum of these two cells and displays the result. This is exceptionally convenient when dealing with larger data sets, as it allows for quick calculations without manually inputting each number. Moreover, if you're looking to add more than two cells, Excel makes this seamless. You can reference multiple cells simply by continuing this pattern. For example, if you need to add the values of A1, B1, and C1 together, you'd extend your formula to read equals A1 plus B1 plus C1. It's just as easy to mix these cell references with fixed numbers. Suppose you want to add a specific value to a sum of cells. You can structure your formula as equals A1 plus B1 plus 3. This flexibility in formula creation enables you to tailor calculations to fit your specific needs, ensuring not only accuracy, but also efficiency in handling large amounts of data. So, whether you're trying to sum up a handful of cells or integrating fixed values with your data, using the plus sign in Excel is a straightforward yet powerful technique. Practicing these examples can greatly improve your confidence in navigating Excel's vast array of functionalities. Keep experimenting and finding new ways to apply these formula techniques to your daily tasks. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Excel skills.